Yes. Hi, everyone. Good evening. This is so late here in Singapore, 12 a.m. Ta-da, like a Cinderella. And thank you so much for joining in. And I have with me Miss Anne Devere from all the way from US, and it's early morning, not early morning, late morning for you, right?
It's 9 a.m. It's
9
9
a.m. Okay,
9
cool.
a.m.
In,
Yeah.
in Las Vegas. You're right now in Las Vegas?
I am in Las Vegas and it's not hopping. It's very calm in Las Vegas, which is
Okay.
very unusual. Yeah, yeah. So
Thank you so
yeah.
much for tuning in. Everyone who's checking into this website right now, I mean, this page right now, and also you will be watching the recording, whichever the thing, we have put together the Go Global online series with Andebear, Access to Experts together with Go Global Business School. We're bringing you 3 free sessions. What's the word? Free. It's a free session we're offering you, and we want to tell you why it's coming to you for free and why you should be part of this session. So that's why I'm having a conversation with Miss Anne, and everybody know Anne is my mentor. We have been hanging out for a while. Every time people ask me, Aziza, why do you have such unique backdrops and you look so professional? And I always tell them, wait till you see my mentor, and she works from a studio. Right. Thank you so much, Anne, for being that guiding support for the work that we are doing, and especially in this part of the world. You know, right now, a lot of people are getting online, and like this was the day we were dreaming about. So tell us about what do you take, what do you have to say about people getting online right now?
Oh my God, I am so happy, so thrilled to see so many people getting online. And unfortunately, it's, bad reason everybody's forced to come on, but good things come out of every situation. That's what I'm focused on. So I'm very grateful everybody's being brave and getting out there and doing it. And yeah, so the main focus is, which what you and I are very excited about, and that's why we're doing this, doing our part in sharing the information, is let's do it the right way. Because
Yes.
just because you're online doesn't mean people get it. Just because you're online doesn't mean you're getting the results. So you need to be strategic in where you spend your time. Okay, we're not online just to be online. We're online because our businesses have gone upside down, sideways, new opportunities. And what do? How do you manage that? And that's the key here, to bring in the results so our businesses are thriving instead of gone into the tailspin, which some
Yeah.
businesses unfortunately have. Yeah.
The good thing about everybody coming online is right now people are kind of like shedding their fear away about the camera.
Yeah.
At the same time, what's happening, there is an overload of information, and as we know, seminar junkies have become webinar junkies. So either we are attending webinars or we are conducting webinars for free. Now I'm going to use the word for free, and then you don't know what happens to the content after that. It will be hanging around in Zoom. So here we have put together something that people can do strategically on how they can progress. And for those who have been through our pages and our sessions, we have conducted more than 150 over sessions with more than 50 over business leaders and global mentors across the world. And let me tell you, none of them have gone wasted. They are all part of an archive, and anytime it is being part of not just a normal archive, but it's being screened on Global Sparks, our portal, where people get to see their calendar of events, and regularly it's being featured. So you are being featured again and again in our platform. So we have a plan, we have a structure, we have a system, and we are so happy that Access to Experts and Go Global Business School are going to reveal the secret to you. Are you ready? Is the question.
Yeah. So should we tell them what our plan is to share as far as what they will be learning during these free
Yes,
sessions?
absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely.
Well, first, we will actually be sharing with you how does Dr. Aziza do what she does, and what is it that I've taught her. And so I'll give you a secret. I am not in a TV station. This used to be, this is, yes, you see the Access to Experts logo. We used to conduct our interviews at the studio, but now that's only a photo of the studio. So we can go anywhere we want, any environment we want. So I'm going to show you how to use technology, not only to look good on camera, but also to create your videos. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we do it. And also, we'll be sharing session 2 is visibility strategies. I am the global visibility catalyst. So
Yes.
there are a lot of opportunities where you will be able to select where you are being, excuse me, where you are being seen. Like Dr. Aziza and Global Business School, together with Global Sparks, decide what videos are shown when. So you're getting exposure there, but you need to have your own mechanism for controlling your videos, your exposure. So this way, other people that you're interviewing will be able to have exposure with you, just like you're getting exposure with the Global Sparks. Okay. So global visibility, strategic global visibility, how and when can you be seen? And also, why are we doing this? We want to grow our business. Monetization plan. How do you turn your videos into cash? Okay. We'll be
Cash,
sharing
a
cash.
four-letter word. You cannot not think about it when you are doing online webinars, please.
Yeah. Yeah. So you will know how to stand above the rest, how to look professional and be professional, create professional content, control where that content goes based on the results that you want, and also how do you monetize that based on the plans that you have. Okay, so everything leads to another. It's very strategic. And of course, there will be a lot of follow up opportunities. We will share with you how do you reach out to people? How do you collaborate with others? What do you say? How do you, all of this makes a difference. And the communities that we have built between all of us right here, we will be able to, you're part of a club. Okay.
Yes.
So how do you reach out to the other members? Okay. So all of this, and when we say we're doing free, do not make the mistake of thinking it's free. Your attention is needed. You have to do the work, but this information is very, very valuable. This information can skyrocket your business immediately. Okay? Now,
You know, when we talk about follow-up collaborations and all the networks that we have built and how we have structured ourselves in the last, I think almost about less than 2 months, we generated more than 800 qualified leads. And that is the kind of things that we will also be sharing with you, because that has led to more collaborations. And how do you turn leads into sales and collaborative partners? That's the trick that you will learn. And, you know, in our network, together with Go Global Business School, Access to Experts, and of course in our platform where we are putting a lot of programs together is Global Sparks, our online portal. There's a whole world of opportunities that we are sharing with people around the world. And this is definitely coming to you with a very, very powerful support. So you will actually be part of this 3 sessions that we will be conducting for you starting on August 10, 12, and 15, right? 14, sorry, 14. And in these 3 days, you will be getting all these support, and you will be in a WhatsApp group that will be giving you a lot of details and information, like what Anne said, hands-on experience. And just as I told you, my business partner, Aipadasji, and myself have been in this Go Global journey of supporting people, really expanding their platform in Asia. So this is the next level for those who are online. If you are someone who's already been a trainer and doing some fanciful content creation, you should be in our room and learn with us on what's possible next for you. And if you are already attending a lot of online facilitation programs, you should be in our room, because this is what you need to be in while doing that. So everything is inclusive, and we are actually wanting those already in the game to step up your game with us. And we always leave you with a tagline: we take you as far as you want to go. So we are here to take you as far as you want to go. You want to play as a one-man show or part of a community or part of a global network, we let you choose. What do you say, sis? Isn't that true?
Yes, very, very much so. And I want to make sure that, everybody gets the importance of that. So if you're just starting today, that's okay. You will learn how to show up and be confident and comfortable on camera and know how to put a plan together. If you're already online, if you are already getting great results, that's even better. That means that little things will have a huge impact on you. Getting access to just the right collaborative partner or learning one new thing. As they say, big doors swing on little hinges. So you want to go all the way to the top, that's okay, because we're working with people at the top, okay? So that's our community. And so this is what my mission, it's all about grooming and growing influencers, okay? Influencers that are making a global impact. So where are you? Where do you want to, you start, go right all the way to the top.
That's right.
Yeah.
Great going. Thank you so much. So we want you to register. We're going to leave the link for you to register. It's for free, or PM. Right there, I am in, and we will contact you for the registration link. It's for free in money wise, but you're going to be investing the most important thing in your life. That's your time. And we promise you it's going to be worth every second that you're going to be spending with us. So we look forward to seeing you on the 10th of August. Thank you so much, sis, for your time, and we look forward to catching up with everyone.
Thank you. It's been a blast.
Good night, everybody.